It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and today we're going to smoke cheese. And the best part is, you can use any grill or smoker and you'll never buy pre-smoked cheese again. Whatever food you put into a smoker is basically guaranteed to taste 100 times better than it normally would. This even applies to cheese. The trick to smoking cheese is to keep the heat as low as possible, which makes the grill or barrel cooker a perfect option for achieving an awesome flavor. So let's get started. It's best to smoke your cheese on a cloudy or a cold day. It's December here, and the temperature today will only reach 70 degrees, ideal for smoking cheese. Start by bringing your cheese to room temperature. This will reduce, if not eliminate, any condensation from forming on the cheese as it smokes. Cut the 2-pound blocks of cheese into half long ways. This will allow the cheese to absorb the smoke better. Now fill your smoke generator with pellets of your choice and light it up. I'm using a combination of hickory and cherry. Give it about a minute before you blow out the flame. The pellets will smolder from this point on. Place the generator at the bottom of your grill or smoker and place the cheese on the grate. If you are using a vertical smoker, place the cheese offset from the pellets. And if you are using a grill or offset smoker, place the generator on the far side. Use an oven-safe probe to monitor the interior of your smoker or grill. It is absolutely critical when cold smoking cheese that the temperature never gets above 90 degrees. Ideally, smoke your cheese around 80 degrees. Now close the lid and smoke up for 4 hours. Turning your cheese every 30 minutes for an even exposure. A 2-hour smoke will give a mild flavor on a soft cheese as opposed to 4-hour smoke, which will have a stronger flavor. Hard cheese will need a little longer to smoke. It's been about 2 hours and a half, and this cheese is done to my liking. The smoke has only penetrated the very top. Now wrap your cheese in wax or parchment paper and refrigerate for a minimum of 3 days to 7 days before you taste. This will allow the smoke to penetrate the cheese and mellow out a bit. Once the curing process is complete, use a vacuum sealer to preserve the cheese. The flavor improves tremendously over time. Well, there you have it. A cold smoking process that you can use with any smoker or grill. And this is not limited to cheeses. You can cold smoke many other foods like peanuts or almonds. Show your appreciation by subscribing to my channel. Also, like and share this video with a friend. And since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so that you can get notified of any new videos. Let me know in the comments section what was your favorite part of this video, and if you have any video suggestions, leave them there as well. If you have a recipe you would like to share, leave it in the comments below. If I like your recipe, I will feature it on an upcoming video. I'm Berlin Birch. I'll see you next time.